It's important here to remember what 10% means. 10% is the same as 1/10, or 0.1. And that 10% of a half really means 10% times a half. When you're dealing with fractions of, half of something means a half times something. So, a half, you could also call it 0.5 or 50%. But if we do 0.1 times 0.5, that's perhaps the easiest way to look at it. And that gives you 0.05, which is the answer. Now, what percentage of 20 is 19? It's quite good here to think of equivalent fractions for 19/20ths. That's what you're being asked for. So 19/20ths, what's that in 40ths? Well, we're doubling the denominator, so that would be 38/40ths. We have to double the numerator as well. Another way of saying it, we could change it to 80ths. So again, we're doubling the numerator from 40 to 80, so we double the denominator from 38 to 76. And then if we add another 19 on the top and another 20 on the bottom, we get 95 over 100, which is the same as 95%. Another way of doing it is to divide 19 by 20. That will give you a decimal. And the decimal it gives you is 0.95. And that's equivalent to saying it's 0.95 out of 1. So if you multiply that by 100, you get 95 out of 100, or 95%.